Boozhoo, Nimin Wendamo Mapia Jaeg, Miss Jane Dejinakaz. I can't believe how the weeks are flying by. Well, it's week 13 of our second step curriculum. I think we're almost halfway through. I think there's like 28 weeks. So hopefully you won't get tired of hearing me, but I'm hoping this is helping. Okay. So I just feel really strong about this second step curriculum. It just gives your child and you tools to do to help your child. So this week we're going to be talking about how we feel feelings in our bodies. So whether your child is anxious or sad, how is their body feeling? And a couple of the different things we do at home, at school here is we, if the children are a little bit, excited or anxious, and we need everybody to just take a big deep breath. So smell the cupcake, blow out the candle, smell the cupcake, blow out the candle. These are things you can do. And one of the songs that your child will be learning, so they might be singing it at home, it goes like this. Put your hands on your tummy. Then they repeat, hands on your tummy. Say, calm down, calm down. Take a big breath and count to 5. Basic, Nij, Niswe, Niwen, Nadnan, Nanan. Feel yourself calm down. Sometimes just that quieter voice too. And sometimes if you whisper, they hear all the more. Sometimes they tune out that big voice, but if you bring your voice down, they'll listen. They will listen. Okay, so the picture this week is Michael. And Michael is worried. And you can ask your child, what do you see in this photo? How is Michael feeling? How can you tell? And what can Michael do to feel better? So Michael's at school. He's waiting for his grandma to pick him up. And grandma is late. And Michael is really worried. So one of the things Michael can do is go talk to his teacher. And that's one of the things you can talk to your child about, because sometimes we do run late, or sometimes plans change and maybe you can't pick them up and somebody else has to pick them up and you have to call school. But the earlier you can do that, the better, because then the teacher can prepare the child for the change in the day. So that's one really important thing. And so that is week 13. And I've been thinking about this, just how the way the world is and the uncertainty, and we all watch the news and things that are happening in the world. But I just want you all to know that there's a creator that created us that loves all of you so much. And it doesn't matter what you've done in the past, that's gone. It's the present, being present for your child. We talked about this. You being present with your child is the best present you can give your child. And just start anew, start fresh. Every day is new. Every day is a gift. But I just want you to know that the Creator sees all and He loves all of us. So if you ever have any questions, please call me at school. I'll give you my number again. It's 715-779-5030, extension 2548. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. And that's it. Giga Wabaman, Migwich Bizendawieg.